moving.
I'm gonna be ready to flight. Wait. It has rained. I'm gonna be posting a few videos from London, Luton to Java. This is the takeoff. This is an Airbus A321NX. Let me just check that. A321neo, but the cockpit in black like how normally it is. I'm gonna be editing my videos more. This is my first time after many years in Luton. The last time I was in Luton Airport was like 9 years ago. I was really young, but I can't remember only a bit. But so far, oh, you can hear the engines. Let's go. That's another Wizz. It's next to us. So we're taking push back. That was right.
Remove the lights from the pouch and put it over your head. Attach the strap to the booking front.
I've been slowly posting only a few posts.
And put it flight. When leaving the aircraft, pull firmly on the red handle for the lights to inflate. The lights can also be inflated by closing to these two. But lights will be inflated while inside the aircraft. For further information, you will find the safety instruction card in a pocket in front of you, which contains the important safety features of this aircraft. And
I want to hear that strange sound that comes from the Airbuses. Or is it just A320s? So here's the throttle. I have two windows. One probably for takeoff and the other for flaps testing.
Dear passengers, remain now continue using your electronic devices in flight mode only. Laptops and any other large electronic devices shall now be safely stored for takeoff and landing and always when under the seatbelt sign is on. Charging electronic devices.
Yes!
As well as smoking, including e-cigarettes and vapes.
The words of wisdom of an Airbus. I've never heard that thing in my life, except for now. That thing was the words of wisdom from an Airbus engine. I knew it. I really wanted that to hear that sound. It literally jump scared the life out of me. I've been preparing for that. Sorry that you can't see me. I heard it finally. The words of wisdom.
Yes, but 5 minutes like that, yeah?
Victoria, we're gonna take off now. Yeah, no. There goes the throttle. I want to see the spoiler flap testing. Well, I'm going to see the reverse thrust. Yeah. Sadly, it's not the second version of the version. Oh. Where is that? The flaps. Or I don't know what those things are. They're lowering. Okay.